In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter promo code in 1xBet. So it will be very easy to do. Firstly, you will just come and click on registration here. So by clicking on registration, you will choose the method by email for full and complete inscription. So you will enter all your information from here and then right up to the promo code, where you will enter the promo code BOTV. In the case where by entering this promo code, you will have 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive or perceive up to $30, and then you will enter the terms and conditions and then click on register when everything will be done. So by doing so, after, you will just come on a match. For example, if I choose this match of Paris Saint-Germain versus Saint-Etienne, and I will choose, for example, the bet of the win of Paris, and by choosing the bet, before choosing, I will just come on promo here at the middle. By clicking on it now, I will just enter the promo code BOTV that have been mentioned. So I will enter this promo code and then I will click on bet, and you will see that if I win the match or I win the bet, you will see that the amount of money that I've put will be doubled.